It's a lovely spring day here at Gordon Falls Reserve. A few weeks ago we went down to the Pool of Siloam, and that track straight ahead is the one. Well, today we'll go down to the bottom of where the pool is and return by the Lyre Dell track to Leura Oval, and then back to here by the track that you can see just over there. At this point the track branches. The one to the right will take us to the bottom of the little waterfall at the Pool of Siloam, and the one to the left will take us up to Lyre Dell and its pool. There are several quite large shelter caves or overhangs that the indigenous people used to use. This is the largest of the shelters, with its very obvious overhanging rocks. Now adapted for use as a picnic area. The steps were built to commemorate the armistice in the Western Front in World War I, hour of the 11th day of the 11th month. There are a number of plaques in this picnic area, all to do with World War I and especially Gallipoli. You can walk up the road, or better, you can walk through the bush.